Hi, I'm Jeff Bellomo with Bellomo Associates. You are getting this email video because you were a client of Bruce Bankenstein's. As you know, I purchased Bruce's practice as he was retiring to be able to care for his lovely wife, who eventually passed away. We have talked to many of you, we have met with many of you, and the number one thing that we hear over and over again is, Jeff, I would love to get my documents updated. Jeff, I understand that some of this needs to be redone into an asset protection perspective. I get that I should have that house protected. I get that I should protect my kids after I die. But unfortunately, I don't want to spend the money, right? It's cost. It all came down to cost. And we understood that. We listened. And the biggest thing that we are finding is that there are some things that have to be redone. We want to make it much easier, quicker, and faster for your family if you were to pass away, and make sure that everything is done the way that it needs to be done. Unfortunately, cost was the problem. So what we've done is we have completely changed our process at Bellomo Associates to be able to accommodate large groups of people to go through the process and provide a huge savings. It's like a 58% savings versus our old costs. And also, we're doing it in a way that we're going to get you that asset protection trust. We're going to get you that revocable trust. We're going to get you the financial power, the medical power. We're going to make sure the financial power has the language in it it needs to, in case you end up in a long-term care situation. We're going to make sure that the documents have the asset protection planning after you die for your family, so that they'll never lose assets to a divorce, a nursing home, or a car accident. And we're going to get that house in a trust. We're going to get that life insurance in a trust, especially if it has cash value, and we might get some other things in. But now we're doing it in a way that we can do it at a 58% savings. So give our office a call. Let us know that you were a client of Bruce Bankenstein's, and we will enroll you in a workshop exclusively for his clients to engage you, to let you understand what our new process is and how we can help you at a significant discount on what it used to be. So even if you've talked to us recently, even if you've had meetings with us or attended workshops, this 3 Secrets to Protect Your Family is completely different. It's a new workshop, it's a new process, it's new costs, it's new everything. So give us a call, get yourself scheduled for that 3 Secrets workshop, and we look forward to seeing you real soon.